The World Health Organization has declared a global emergency over the rapidly spreading Ebola outbreak in Central Africa. Authorities are now scrambling to contain the virus as infections spill over borders.
In a nation impacted by conflict, a humanitarian crisis and high population mobility, an Ebola epidemic has the potential to spread fast and worsen an already fragile situation. At least 80 people are suspected to have died of the virus in the northeast of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Another 250 are thought to be infected, and there are already 2 confirmed cases in neighbouring Uganda. But the World Health Organization says the scale of the outbreak could be far larger than currently reported, declaring it a public health emergency of international concern, allowing it to release $700,000 to help tackle it.
The region where it is happening is highly volatile, with the humanitarian situation going on.
Ebola is highly contagious, spreading through saliva, blood and semen. Other outbreaks have been caused by the Zaire strain, but this time it's a rarer strain, and there are no drugs or vaccines for victims.
This is quite a low-income area. It's unstable. You have conflict. So I think the real lesson here is to be, to invest in all parts of the world through aid to make sure that you have the lab capacity, the infrastructure, the diagnostics, because if you can stop it there at source, then it prevents it becoming a bigger problem.
This is the 36th Ebola outbreak since it was discovered in the 1970s, killing around 15,000 people.
In the past, we would run away from Ebola patients. We leave people. We can't even handle them to give them some resuscitation, some infusions. But now, as our care has improved, we've learned that we can reduce the fatality rate.
Being declared a global health emergency will allow levers to be pulled to prevent a repeat of previous devastating outbreaks. But much has changed since then, with Western nations retreating from foreign aid that might have stopped its spread in the first place. Patrick Burns, 7 News.